The characters and advantages of 5-star heat pump products. 5-star heat pump products have been developed at a high speed based on the accumulated experience of flat-plate solar water heaters in the past years. In 2007, our heat pump products were awarded the Guangdong Famous Products. 5-star has been ranked the top 10 enterprise of the heat pump industry in China. We are one of the committee members to draft the national standard of heat pump water heater. Advantages of 5-star heat pump. Equipped with high-quality components to achieve high efficiency and a full range of function. More than 40 patents of technology, a leading position in the development of technology in this line. Product category and characters. 5-star heat pump products include Residential Commercial Series, 5-star Residential Heat Pump Series, Split-style Residential Air Source Heat Pump of medium circulation, All-in-one style Residential Air Source Heat Pump of medium circulation, Split-style Residential Air Source Heat Pump of purified water circulation. The first innovation model of the industry for rural area, Starfire Series, Swimming pool heat pump for villa. 5-star heat pump products consist of top-quality components, such as titanium evaporator, variable frequency blower, SUS 316L heat exchanger, and the high technologies such as intelligent faulty control and a fault emergency mode. All these make 5-star heat pump products low noise, high intelligence, long service life. 5-star Commercial Heat Pump Series, Commercial Cyclic Type Air Source Heat Pump Unit, Commercial Direct Heating Air Source Heat Pump Unit, Swimming Pool Air Source Heat Pump Unit, Water Ground Source Heat Pump Unit, High Temperature Air Source Heat Pump Unit, High Temperature Air Source Baking Heat Pump Unit, Air Source Heat Pump Unit operated in low temperature environment, Dual Function Floor and Water Heating Commercial Heat Pump. 5-star Commercial Heat Pump adopts the Copeland heat pump compressor and top-quality accessories, such as stainless steel 316L plate heat exchanger. The average COP is higher than 4.46. The function includes automatic water filling, automatic water refilling, automatic water supply, electrical booster backup, timing control for water filling, power lost memory, etc. All these make 5-star heat pumps very suitable for hot water projects and easily integrated with solar water systems. The normal 5-star heat pump models can work in environment of -7 Celsius degree temperature. The baking heat pumps can simulate the natural air drying and automatic dehumidification. The unit adopts module design and a graphic control for drying the materials, which make the drying process visually and make the finished products high quality. 5-star baking heat pumps uniquely combine the drying machine and the good drying technology together, which help the customers obtain advantages in the competitive market. All-in-one style residential air source heat pump and swimming pool heat pump for villa are CFC-free for export market. For all-in-one heat pump, the air inlet and air outlet are designed to be separate. During the operation, the hot air goes through the evaporator by the air inlet and get cooled after the heat is absorbed. Then the cooled air can be sent to the place wherever it needs the cool air, such as the kitchen, living room, etc. It can produce cool air free of charge when generating the hot water. Swimming pool heat pump for villa can meet the demand for small-size swimming pool water heating and can dehumidify the bathing room for swimming. It is characterized with high-level anti-corrosion, low noise, high efficiency, and long service life. Operational principle. 5-star air source heat pumps are divided into medium cyclic type and purified water cyclic type according to its heat exchange way. When the air blower works, big volume of air flows through the evaporator and the heat is absorbed by the evaporator. The heat is pushed into the condenser. heat exchanger, and released to the water or air to generate hot water or hot air to bake things. The medium becomes liquid again and goes into the next cycle. 5-star heat pump can achieve 75% energy saving compared to electrical heater. Successful project items. 5-star commercial projects of heat pump has always occupied the leading position in the market. We have undertaken the heat pump hot water project for Everbright Real Estate, Yaxin Electronics, Shaogang High Speed Management Center, Guangzhou Colorful Days Hotel, Henan Hotel, Dongguan Hanling Experimental Middle School, etc. Also, we have done many heat pump baking and drying commercial projects for cured meat, preserved ingredients, herb, tobacco, areca nut, etc. 5-star hopes to invite friends from all the world, hand in hand, to create a green and environmental world of human beings.